Hey guys, my name is Rachel Mansfield and I am a recipe developer, food stylist, and blogger located just outside of Manhattan here in Hoboken, and I'm going to be taking over the Feedfeed's Instagram story today to bring you guys one of my favorite holiday recipes. So the recipe that we're going to be making are these coconut brownie batter truffles, and they are seriously so good. I cannot wait for you guys to try them and watch me make them. And we're going to be featuring Simply Organic's vanilla extract and their cinnamon, aka. And in case you guys didn't know, Simply Organic is doing their Cook for a Change right now, and all the details are on their website, but it is such an amazing cause. I am so excited to be making this recipe as a part of it. This is where it gets a little complicated, so I usually like to take a fork and roll the truffle in the chocolate and then use that. You kind of have to stab it a little bit, but then use that to carry it back. So first I topped with some coconut flakes, and now I'm going to add some cacao nibs. And you can add some chopped nuts, you can add pretty much anything you want on top, and now we're going to put them in the fridge. So I left the truffles in the freezer for about an hour, and they are looking so good. They are firm, the chocolate hardened around it, and I love when it gets those like funky little chocolate extras, we should say. Alright guys, that is a wrap. Thank you so much for following along. I hope that I have you craving these coconut brownie batter truffles now, and you can try them at home and bring them to your next holiday get together. And you can swipe up here for the recipe. But thank you, Feedfeed and Simply Organic.